Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm on another call today. And the call is that the AC is not cooling, so we found that the fan works, but the compressor is not working. We found it locked. So what I did is I put I checked the capacitor. Of course, it's all good. I checked I put a booster on, which is that one right there. See the one to the back with those red and yellow wires. They go connected to here, and they go connected there, and that's my package down here. So, and it didn't turn on either. So we've got about a compressor here for the homeowner. Okay, call us for all your AC, heat, and refrigeration needs. We'll get it replaced as well. So we'll talk to them and see what they want to do. ABC Austin Service Express, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacnheating.com. Okay, again, 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.